Hi, I'm Nikki from Leandati. Welcome to your cosmic meditation space. In this experience, you are not just coding. You are crafting a universe. One where peace, presence, and the power of sound converge. Using Replit and Vibe code, you design a sanctuary of ambient energy, layered with soothing tones, cosmic soundscapes, and gentle voices that elevate the soul. Whether you're here to focus, breathe, or simply float among the stars, your creation will invite others to step away from the noise and into a place of clarity. This isn't just a project. It's a portal. Let's begin.